The Formnext is the biggest exhibition we have in Germany for additive manufacturing.
It's without doubt the leading trade fair for the industry.
We have talked to people from all the way from Korea, Taiwan to America, so a real global show here.
Additive manufacturing is, I think, really in the sweet spot for the oxygen parameter within Dwyeromega.
We are here to provide fail-safe oxygen analyzers to customers who require them across the entire AM process.
We've been really surprised that exhibitor numbers were down slightly this year, but the activity at the booth probably makes it to be one of the best fairs we've had ever.
Yeah, so we are from the company Hegemann, and we developed the wire arc additive manufacturing process, and therefore we need an oxygen analyzer. Your solutions look very good because you have multiple and modular components to compare.
Oxygen sensors were interesting for me just because in the business of ceramics, we are busy with furnaces production and the oxygen measurements and humidity measurements.
We work with the 3D printer, electron beam melting, and during our process, the control of the oxygen of the environment in general is quite important. So in order to control the environment inside the build chamber, it's always a good thing to take a look at the oxygen. So this was my thinking of that. So it was quite interesting to the sensor you show us.
So overall, it's been a really successful show for us. It's great to connect with new and existing customers. It's really important that we continue to build on the great momentum we've had in this industry over the years. And we really look forward to being here at Formnext 2026 next year. See you then.